Welcome, this is Artisan Heirloom Foods. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my mystery melons that are growing in my flower bed, my front flower bed. Now, here's one here. I've already harvested one. I actually have more that are growing. There's one. And there is another one somewhere off in here. There he is, right there. And then of course I have another one right here. Now this is what they look like before they start turning ripe. So they're about, they're probably about 2 or 3 softballs large. And this is what they look like. And then when they become ripe, this is what they start to do. So we're gonna pick this one. We're gonna cut it open. And I'm gonna share with you what it looks like, what it tastes like, and we're gonna have some fun with it. So you want to pick, now this is a mystery melon, and I've already picked one, and so I kind of know when to pick it. But you want to pick this melon, wow, he's heavy, when he is turning from the green to the yellowish orange. So when he starts getting the yellowish orange on him, then that's when you pick him. He's ripe. And all you do is he just comes right off, just like that. That means he's ready to pick. And this is what he looks like. He's absolutely gorgeous. And you can smell the sweetness right here from the top. He's really heavy, but look how big he is. Absolutely beautiful. Like I said before, I never planted this. I've not ever planted melons at all on my property. And this guy just started growing, and I had no idea what it was at first, and I thought it was a before it started to get fruit on it, I thought it was a cucumber. Then I thought it was a pumpkin, but then I realized quickly that it was actually a melon. So, and you can tell because of the shape of the leaves. It wasn't, I knew it wasn't a squash. And anyway, so I waited, I had one, I picked it, and then I just let it keep growing, and then I have several more that are, I got one other larger one that hasn't ripened yet, and then I've got this one, and then I got 2 other baby ones that are trying to, they grow really fast. They probably take about 2 to 2.5 weeks to get this size. And then another week or 2 to start to change color. So let's get this cut open, and I'll show you what it looks like and what it tastes like. So first I want to say, sorry about the wind. It's a little windy. It is September, but we'll make it through it. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is my beautiful melon. It's so beautiful. I'm actually saving seeds. So this will be my second melon I would have saved seeds from. And let's cut this baby open. Oh my gosh, the perfume flavor. Look at that. Now, this, even though that it's green, I can definitively tell you it does not taste like a honeydew melon. It tastes just like a, look at all the juice that's, I don't know if you can see the juice that's just pouring out of this thing. It's so juicy, wow. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so good. This melon actually is, it tastes like a cantaloupe. It is a green cantaloupe. And that amazes me because I didn't know, I mean, how confusing is that to have a melon that looks like one type of melon but tastes like another. So it's kind of interesting. So I'm gonna save these seeds, and I'm definitely going to be planting these seeds for next year. Also, I would, if you are interested, I'm gonna do this, since I have so many seeds, I'm gonna do this for 20 people. If you are interested in a few seeds, drop me a message and give me a private message. The best way probably is to go to Facebook and go to our Artisan Heirloom Foods Facebook page. Send me a message, and I will, for free, I will pop in a few seeds to you in the mail. And I don't have very many seeds, so I will do, let's say 20 people in that. If there are 20 people out there that are interested in this mystery melon seeds, I will send you some seeds. So let me know. So anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's got a beautiful greenish, it's a light green, kind of a creamy flesh. And we are just gonna, I'm gonna cut open, or I'm gonna cut one of these and give it a taste. So that's the rind. But it's just, it's got this beautiful melon, this perfume, this floral smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. Oh yeah. Very nice flavor. Extremely juicy. And believe it or not, it does taste like a cantaloupe and not a honeydew. So, all right. Well, I want to say thanks for watching my video. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notified of new content. And again, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, leave your comment. And if there are 20 people out there that would like a few of these seeds, I will send them to you. Get in touch with me via Facebook. And until my next video, I want to say I hope everyone's summer was an awesome summer. I know we are now heading into the fall, and winter will be here, and it's going to be that doom and gloom time of year. Of course, you've got the wonderful holidays that are ahead of us. I've got some more videos coming up, and so I'm excited to get those videos out to you. And until my next video, again, thanks for watching. I know you have other content creators you could be watching, and I appreciate your time here with me. And I hope all of you have a good day, and thanks for watching. We'll see you again. Thank you.